We're back!
Comments lately about where are you guys? You know, we haven't seen you for a while, so we figured we better make a video and kind of explain ourselves here. Yeah, so it's been a crazy summer, to say the least.
Busy summer.
Busy summer. So I mean, just with the magazine alone, it can be overwhelming sometimes. But we also have started another project that has added to the mix a little bit.
Boy, have we ever started a project?
Yeah, but let's back up for just a second.
Okay.
So we just published our video where we rode from California to North Carolina and then back to California again.
Check it out if you haven't already.
So the whole trip's up on YouTube right now. So if you've already watched it, thank you very much for watching. But that trip brought a lot of things to light for us.
Yeah.
For me personally, it was the coolest thing I've ever done on two wheels.
It was pretty cool.
Absolutely loved it. And when we got home, all we could think about is how do we get back out there and do it again.
That's true, we did.
I mean, so we've been in that mode ever since then. So when we got home in what, May?
Yeah, yeah, mid-May.
Mid-May. So,
and the magazine, boom.
And then we had to put the magazine to print right away.
Yep.
But yeah, I mean, so it's been since mid-May, and all we can think about is how do we get back out there.
So what we did, something crazy.
So let's say right now we're in the Thunder Roads Magazine NorCal's office.
This is what we had to rush back to get to.
This is why we had to come back. You know, this is our. You got to come back and get to work.
Yeah.
So while we've talked about getting mobile, how can we take our job more mobile? So we went and we picked up
this. What do you think?
So that is a 1989 Winnebago Warrior. It's a 22-foot Class A. And as you can see, it's
got some wear and tear. It's an 89. I mean, all of us have wear and tear.
We've already done quite a bit of engine work on it, and got a little bit more there to go, but that's coming around really good.
Yeah.
Totally gutted the inside of it.
And we are documenting every step of the way.
Yeah, so we're going to do some videos about the process of bringing this RV back to life, and we have named it already.
Yes, we have.
It's called the Hub
Quarters.
The Hub Quarters.
It's going to be our mobile site.
Yeah, so basically we're building this up to be a mobile office, and it's a place for us to grab a bite to eat, crash, and work.
Post videos, do the magazine, everything. It's going to be a mobile office.
Yeah, and I mean, all we need to do is have internet connection and we can work. So there's no reason for us to be stuck in a stationary location when the world is out there for us to see.
Right, so what we will do is we'll obviously have the office to come to, and then we will be able to go to different areas in that location and check it out on the motorcycle.
Yeah.
And we'll be posting those too to make it even cooler.
Yeah, so the whole idea is we really think that this is going to allow us to bring a lot better content to everybody, both in the magazine as well as Hill on Two Wheels and our blog at hillontwowheels.com.
Yeah.
So we're really excited about this, and so
hopefully you will like it too.
Yeah, so stay tuned as we go through this process of bringing the Hub to life.
Yep.
And
leave some comments below if you see anything. You're like, hey, you should try this or whatever. You know, this is a great RV place or whatever. We don't care. Just as, just give us some insight.
Yeah, absolutely.
We love your comments.
Yeah, comments, suggestions, whatever. We're open-minded about listening to people's input. So, but we're just excited about the new adventures that this is going to open up to us.
Yep.
So stay tuned.
Subscribe.
It's definitely subscribe. We need all the subscribers we can get right now. We've got to pump this channel up. So we're going to be back posting videos regularly again. So
stay tuned.
Thanks for hanging with us.
Thanks for watching.
We'll talk to y'all real soon.